Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about which house is best for planet Venus. First of all, what is Venus? Venus represents all the female figures in your life. Venus represents wife in the male's birth chart. Venus represents luxuries. Venus represents money. Venus represents jewelry, diamonds, construction. And Venus also represents assets. Venus represents vehicles. Venus represents houses, properties, or all these are all the karakas for planet Venus. Venus also represents, uh, Venus is also karaka for sisters, your siblings, especially in the female figures, are all comes under or karakatwas of Venus. Venus also represents daughter. Venus represents daughter-in-law. Okay, these are all the primary significators of planet Venus. And let me tell you, the best house for planet Venus is basically Pisces. In Pisces, Venus becomes exalted. Exalted as in like Venus energy will get doubled. Okay, Venus energy will get doubled in Pisces zodiac sign. So Venus is considered as exalted during this point of time. When Venus gains its power in Pisces zodiac sign, Venus starts providing its blessings, and for this person, he will have very good life with regards to the luxuries, and his lifestyle is also and also he'll be all around going to different places and watching different sceneries and all that. And also these people have very strong inclination towards arts and music as well. And also these people are very much wealthy and they born in the rich families. I'm talking about the Venus in Pisces, right, in which Venus becomes exalted. And similar way, Venus becomes debilitated in Virgo zodiac sign. If at all Venus is placed in Virgo zodiac sign, it is considered as debilitated. That means Venus has lost its energy. That means what are the karakatwas which I have told you, those things will not be favorable for you. Most importantly, we'll be having a lot of financial crisis, a lot of money challenges, and also your long distance travels also will not be fruitful for you. And also, second best positions for Venus is basically Libra as well as Taurus. The reason being, these two zodiac signs, the lordship is basically Venus. Venus rules Taurus as well as Libra. Okay, and of course, this person also, Venus in Taurus, Venus in Libra, also brings a lot of financial gains from different countries, and also most importantly, in the foreign countries, these people will be having a better life compared to the homeland. And most importantly, he'll be getting the ancestral property, and most importantly, and also this person will be spending a lot. And most importantly, what I've seen is when compared with Virgo or Venus, with regards to the Libra Venus keeps gaining money, and whereas Virgo Venus person will be losing all his money. All right, so that is the basic difference. So most importantly, it is very much imperative to understand the karakatwas of any planet for that matter as per Vedic astrology, because unless until you understand the karakatwas, you can able to relate to the planet with regards to specific zodiac sign. So to give you a short answer for this question, which is the best house for planet Venus, first best position is Pisces, second best position is Taurus, and third best position is Libra. All right, of course, Libra and Taurus gives the same kind of prediction, same kind of results. All right, so that's it for Venus in Pisces zodiac sign. So that's the best house for planet Venus. I don't want to make this video in a lengthy format and bore you with the same information that which I have been providing in my previous videos. Please do check the video on significance of planet Venus in Vedic astrology in my YouTube channel. And also a lot of videos I've done on the wealth astrology. If at all you have interest towards understanding the wealth prospects in your birth chart, do book for an astrological consultation. The link is mentioned in the description section. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Alright, so please stay tuned for my videos, and thanks for supporting me by giving your valuable comments under my videos. Please let me know in the comment section what exactly you learned from this video, what exactly you learned from this video, and do share with your family and friends if at all they have interest towards Vedic astrology. And please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel without fail, because I'll be adding more and more videos related to Vedic astrology in this YouTube channel. Alright, and I'll see you in the consultation so that it will enable me to check your birth chart for 3 to 4 hours, and then I can able to provide you the final prediction. Alright, so I'll see you in the consultation. Bye for now.